Hi, sir. Very good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic. I'm fit as a feather. Thank you for asking. So, tell me about yourself and how was your morning so far?
Yes. Yeah, my day was very well. Yeah, every single day I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and after getting up, I go for morning walk and I came back around 6:30 a.m. Right now I am free
Mhm.
and that's why also I am using this time. And if I say about me, I am from West. I am Santanu Das. I am from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays, I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Because my goal is, right now my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. This is my goal. That's why I am using this platform. On the other hand, I run one YouTube channel which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction. And ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Sure, sir. I love to introduce myself. My name is Malati. I live in Bangalore. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation in English literature. Earlier, I used to teach, but nowadays I completely homemaker. I dedicate my precious time for my family, for upbringing. So, and apart from there, I am also very small YouTuber where I'm trying to uploading English related conversation, solo and shorts video. Yes, sir. It's pretty much about myself.
Okay. It is wonderful introduction. And ma'am, right now also you are learning this language, and you earlier also you teach few students. And at that time, did you teach English subject?
No, I used to teach in government school, and it's been very long gap. I would say 10 or 11 year gap. So that time I used to teach in a primary level. So, but nowadays its education is completely different compared to 10 year, 11 year back, as you know, right? And that time in government school situation, you know very well what kind of situation was there. So yes, I used to teach in all over subject in a primary level, math, English, and our native language subject also. So and social science also I used to teach. But the thing is talking about the English is a completely different. Just we used to teach in a subjective wise. Apart from there in school, even teacher also they didn't teach talk in English also in that time. Nowadays it's might be maybe it's a changing, but in that condition. So even though my English was in a written way was good, but the speaking way it was not good. And on the other hand, I took very long gap. 10 or 11 year gap is a very long gap, as you know. So then I completely, I would say, forgot. Right. So again, I start my journey from scratch. I would say from scratch. Yes, somewhere it's helped me because I had some idea about grammar, something, but still I'm speaking time I'm making mistakes because of the lack of practice, and I'm working upon here. It has been, I think, more than 1 year. So yes, now I'm thinking I'm improving compared to earlier. So still I'm working in my language, sir.
Yes, definitely. Actually, it will always take time. Yeah, at the beginning time, who are learning this language, at that time they made so many mistakes. Yeah, while speaking English, because English is not my mother tongue. It is second language. That's why it will always take time. And if I tell about me, I belong to village area, and during my study, I was very weak English subject, and at that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. And right now also I can write any paragraph in English. I can write any English letter. Yeah, there is no problem. But I can't speak properly. Yeah, while speaking English, I get stuck. Lack of vocabulary. I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain. Yeah, and I have been facing this kind of problem for a long time. Yeah, in my point of view, it will always take time. Yeah, little by little, definitely I will improve. Yeah, definitely I will improve. And one day, definitely I want to be a good English speaker. Yeah, and I follow these rules, and in I observe that consistency and practice both are very important. Yeah, for learning this language, for improving your English skill, always you will have to practice regular basis. That's why also I am using this platform.
Okay, sir, you were mentioning like earlier you were totally you starting your English scratch level. Okay, so tell me about your journey. What kind of method you are applying while learning this language?
Yes. Well, first of all, I'm telling you, it is wonderful question for me, because I belong to village area, and during my study in the primary school, there was no English subject in the primary school. And when I was
Yes.
studying in class 7 standard and 8 standard, at that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. I was very weak at that time. Yeah, I was very weak at that time in English subject. And right now also I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and whenever I get free time, I always try to learn this language. But when I started learning this language, at that time I started only for writing purpose. At that time I used to watch so many English grammatical video on the YouTube channel, and after
Yes.
watching those kind of video continue around after 2 months, I observed that there is no problem. In this time I can write any paragraph, I can write any letter in English. After that I started my English speaking journey, and I found those kind of video who belong to village area, who are starting in class 8 standard and 9 standard. They are also speaking English very well. At that time I thought maybe, yeah, I would learn this language. After that I started my English speaking journey. But when I started English speaking journey, at that time I had to face a lot of issue, because in my locality there is no good English environment. No one speak English in my locality, no one speak English at my house. There is no good English environment, and I don't have any partner for practicing purpose. That's why in the front of camera I used to speak continuously every single day. First time 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, after that I recorded the video, and after recording the video I watched very carefully what kind of mistake I was doing while speaking English. Yeah, in this way also I started my English speaking journey. But after completing 2 or 3 months, I observed that, yes, speaking is also another part. Yeah, reading and writing, it is very easy, but speaking is also another part. It is so difficult. Yeah, it will always take time. Just few months you cannot learn this language. Yeah, I know very well, to learn any language always you will have to follow 4 rules: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. 4 things are very important, but in my point of view, most important is listening and speaking. Because I observed that most of the people, they always learn our native language always by listening and by speaking. That's why I follow these rules. Whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video in English. And in my point of view, listening and speaking both are very important.
Okay, that's a great. Whatever you are telling, I totally resonate because I have been also following same thing for a scratch to now also, and I feel very happy if I can talk. I feel very energetic if I will listening, and listening is that kind of method which is I am applying. You are also applying. We can do active listening and passive. Those kind of listening. Active listening is a very powerful compared to passive. Passive listening while we are doing household chores, other work, they can that time also we can listen. But active listening is a properly sit and just focus what they are telling, and just to try to remember, or just to try to recall what they wants to take conclusion. So if we should understand slowly and gradually, we can understood very easily, and we can articulate the sentence also. But it will take time, right? It will take time. It's not going to over in a overnight. It will take little more time, depend of person to person. Might be some people take very long time, might be some people take very short time also, right?
Yes.
It's up to your hard work, up to your determination, up to your consistency, right? But the thing is, if you make the determination, okay, anyhow I will learn, you should enjoy first this journey, right? It's not going to forcefully. You can do only 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 2 week, 1 month. Then you feel monotonous. So that's why I will suggest to every person who are beginner. So they start. I know they are starting, but in the between they feel okay. It's not my cup of tea. I can't. Even they understand very well, but they feel very shameful to talking in front of other people, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
and they can't courage to do learn this language. So I want to know, sir, I come across so many people, my friend circles also, my relatives also, they knows very well the English, okay, they understand, but the thing is they can't courage to speak in front of other people. So what kind of suggestion you want to give?
Yeah, to be honest, in my point of view, always you have to practice regular basis, and always you will have to open your mouth. This is the problem. And I observe that in my locality I have a lot of friends. They are good at English grammar. They are good at English grammar. They know very well English grammar. They can read properly, they can write properly, they can understand properly while watching any English content. There is no problem. When it comes about speaking, at that time they are afraid. They are afraid, and they are don't want to speak in front of the people. They always think that, yeah, if I make few mistake while speaking English, other people will laugh. Yeah, that's why also they don't want to speak. This is the wrong. Yeah, mistake is common. Everyone makes mistakes, and you are learning a new language. For learning this language, everyone makes mistakes, and after making mistake, always you have to learn. Yeah, this is the rules. But in my point of view, don't worry about making mistake. Every single day, always you have to practice minimum 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Yeah, and always you have to practice, and yeah, always you have to listen, and always you have to listen so many video on the YouTube channel. If you and listening is the most important part. If you are a good listener, definitely one day you will be a good English speaker. Listening is an art. Yeah, listening and speaking, I always follow this rule: listening and speaking.
Yes. So, sir, as you already mentioned, listening is a very powerful technique which is follow every beginner. So, I want to know for beginner purpose what kind of things they have to starting period they have to listening or watching what they should do. Please give me some suggestion for those beginner person who are
Yes, yes.
completely just they are think about I should start like that. Those kind of person purpose.
Yes, you're right. When I started my English speaking journey, as far as I remember, one day I was watching one of the video. At that time, I understood very well that video, and that's why that video I watched minimum 10 times. Yeah, minimum 10 times. At that time, watching that video, I watched very carefully what kind of grammatical structure are used over there. Yeah, and in my point of view, also, always you have to watch the English video, and always you have to speak regular basis, and listening is the most important. If you can't listen, if you are listen don't listen anything, you cannot speak English. Yeah, listening is the
Yes.
powerful part of the learning this language.
Okay. Yes, yes, definitely. They should follow. And main thing I would say, interest is a mandatory first, right? You should make interest first. So then you try to learn, you try to listen or watching such kind of video which is totally regarding English. So you have to make sometime environment also, which is artificial. If you are belong to village side, no matter if you belong to city side, but in your surrounding people are not talking in English, you can make environment, you can talk. Nowadays it's social media, you have so
Yes,
many platform are there, so many groups are there, you can interact to those people who are interested. And nowadays chat GPT also help a lot for people improving, isn't it? And as well as mirror talk also, and you can make a video where you can talk, and then you can realize, okay, now I am here and they are making mistakes, right? So just for this you're all about things is your interest, then only you can learn, right?
yes, you are right. Yeah, in my point of view also,
Yes.
uh, I did not go in. I did not go anywhere. I did not join any coaching center. Always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. Nowadays, social media is available. If you want to learn this language, don't go anywhere. Yeah, using your smartphone, you can learn this language. And if you search on the YouTube, yeah, how will you learn this language? Yeah, what kind of method will I follow for learning this language? You can get so many videos. Yeah, and always you have to follow these
Yes,
rules. In my point of view.
yes, exactly, sir, exactly. So tell me, sir, do you have any question for me? You can ask me, sir.
Yes, I would like to ask one question to you. You are also learning this language. I am learning this language. I have been learning this language more than 2 years. I know very well it will always take time. You cannot learn this language very easily because there is a no good English environment in our locality. But while watching English video on the YouTube channel, I found those kind of thumbnail. How will you learn this language just 15 days? How will you learn this language just 30 days? And ma'am, what do you think? Is it possible just 15 days and just 30 days you can learn this language very easily? Is there any shortcut process for learning this language?
Okay, it's a very good question actually, and it's a reality question. So everyone feel confusion who are beginner, right? If they show within 15 minutes, 1 month, 3 month, 90 days, you can achieve, you can learn this language, you will be fluent speaker like that. But sir, as my opinion, it's nothing going to miracle within 1 month. Right, we have to burn in overnight, then only it can possible. For example, if you have a very sharp mind and you can put in your food, then might be possible in a 3 month, isn't it? But 3 month also it will be not be fluent speaker. Just if you are beginner, I'm telling about beginner who are beginner people. You know, it will take little more time. You should not be monotonous because yes, they are telling they can teach, they can give some idea about grammatical something like that, but it's totally different. About learning grammar, about learning English or speaking is a very different part. It has been more than 1 year I am learning this language, but sometimes I also feel struggling. I can't get correct word and correct sentence. So definitely, even though I am given 100%, I can't say 100%, but as much as possible, I try to give time here, right? Listening, writing, speaking, reading, whatever like that. I do, but still I'm struggling. So I would say it's not going to miracle within 1 month or 3 months. Yes, but you can give the 100% dedication time here, and you have an interest and you are very enthusiasm for learning this language. Yes, after 3 months you can start, little bit, effortlessly might be tough, right? But you should be like that work, and slowly and gradually. Yes, after 6 months, so many people are improving. I saw who are a determined person, they are improving after 6 months. But so 15 days or 1 month, I don't think so people can get very fast, that much fast.
Yes, yes, you're right. And ma'am, I'd like to ask